Good morning, student. Today we see new topic, measure of central tendency. In this one, we discuss about three topics: mean, median, and mode. How we find these three one? We discuss about it. First one, find a mean. How we find a mean? First one, we see definition about it. Definition of the mean is what? Average of the all observation is called mean. Here it means your percentage. Your percentage, it means what? Your average of the all marks is your percentage. It means mean is what? This one is formula. Sum of all observation upon number of observation to sum of all observation, and then divided it with the number of observation, you get your mean. It means if your total out of 100, your total marks is 500. Clear? 500 in 6 subjects. Then mean is what? 500 means sum of all observation, and number of observation is what? 6. So 500 divided by 6, do division, and this will not mean. And symbol of mean is what? X bar. X bar is a symbol of mean. When a data is given in a tabular form, some like this, then we have to find a mean using this formula, sigma fi xi, where fi is what? Frequency, xi it means a middle value of the class interval, upon sigma fi. Sigma fi it means what? Sum of all frequencies. Here means first we do multiplication of fi and xi, then sum of all fi and xi, and then we divide with sum of frequency. We discuss in sums. First write these two definition. First write these two formula, first one and second one. Mean means what? Sum of all observation upon number of observation, and second one, when data is given in a tabular form, mean is what? Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. And median means what? Exact middle value of your observation, and symbol of the median is what? Capital M. And steps for find median: फर्स्ट अरेंज ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशन इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. आपको जो कोई भी डेटा आपको दिया है उसको हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, इट मीन्स स्मॉलर टू लार्जर. क्लियर? स्मॉलर टू लार्जर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन स्मॉलर, उससे बेटर, उससे ग्रेटर, ऐसे फॉर्म में हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे. देन काउंट नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, हाउ मैनी नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन आर देयर. इफ number of observations are odd, it means 1 3 5 7, n is equals to, you get 1 3 5 7. If you count observation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and n is equals to 7, it means what? Odd. Then you have to find median using this formula, n plus 1 upon 2 th observation. If I have n is equals to 7, it means what? 7 plus 1 upon 2, it means what? 8 upon 2. 8 upon 2 means fourth observation. 4 is not answer, but fourth observation is your answer. Clear? Similarly, if you have n is equals to even number, then your median is equals to what? First, n divided by 2 th observation. Suppose I have total n is equals to 8 observation. Clear? Suppose I have n is equals to 8 observation. It means what? How we find a median? 8 divided by 2 th observation plus 8 divided by 2 plus 1 of the observation divided by 2. This one is what? 4th observation plus 4 plus 1 5th observation upon 2. Then write वैल्यू ऑफ 4 ऑब्जर्वेशन. 4 1 2 3 4th ऑब्जर्वेशन की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. देन वी राइट वैल्यू ऑफ द 5th ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड देन डिवाइड बाय 2 इज योर मीडियन व्हेन n is equals to what? Even numbers. Now mode means what? most repeated observation, you just observe the data. Which data is most repeated? It is your what? Mode. Clear? Mode, symbol of mode is what? Z. Now we start exercise 14.4. Question number 1. The following number of goals were scored by the team in a series of the 10 matches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4 and 3. Find the mean, median and mode of the score. Yeah. First we find the mean. You know mean, x bar is equals to what? Sum of all observation upon number of observations. Sum of all observations, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Check it. It should be 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because 10 matches are given. Number of observation is what? 10. So write 10 here. Do sum. 2 plus 3, 5, plus 4, 9, plus 5, 14, 15, 3, 18, 3, 21, 4, 25, plus 3, 28 upon 10. 1 decimal point transfer to left hand side. So x bar is equals to 1, 2.8. Check this sum. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, plus 5, 14, 15, plus 3, 18, plus 3, 21, 25 and 28. This is your mean. Second one is what? You have to find a median, m. For this one, first step is what? Ascending order. Ascending order of this one. First one 0, write 0 here. Second one 1, write 1 here. Third one 2, write 2 here. And then third 3, how many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, write 4 times 3. And 4, 2 times 4. Last one is what? 5. Check again. 10 observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here n is equals to what? 10. So even number. So you use the second formula of the median. M is equals to what? N by 2 th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 th observation upon 2. N by 2, it means 10 divided by 2 th observation plus 10 divided by 2 plus 1 th observations divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, you get 5th observation plus here 5th plus 1, 6 observations upon 2. You get median here. M is equals to 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. Third, 6 observation. Again third. 3 plus 3 divide by 2. It means 6 divided by 2. You get median. 6 divided by 2, 3. Now mode. Mode, you know that symbol of mode is Z. Most repeated observation. Most repeated observation is which? Number 3. How many times? 4 times. So mode is what? 3. Question number 2 is the same as for question number 1. You have to do with yourself. I do question number 3. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order, means already arranged in ascending order. Question is given in already arranged in ascending orders. If the median of the data is a 63, median is given. median of the data is given 63. You have to find the value of x. You have to find value of x and you have to find unknown value. Clear? First I count how many number of observations are there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, total 10 observations. Even number of observations. So again use the second formula for find a median. Median m is equals to n by 2 th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 th observations upon 2 n by 2 total n 10 divided by 2 th observation plus 10 divided by 2 plus 1 th observations divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 it means 5th observation plus 5 plus 1 6 observations divided by 2 is your median. Median is given 63. 63 is equals to 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. Check what is your 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th is your x. What is your 6th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th observation is what? X plus 2. X plus 2 divided by 2. 2x plus 2. Here I write 63 multiplied 2 is equals to 2x plus 2. These 2 transfer to left hand side. It is multiply. 63 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 126 minus 2 is equals to 2x. 6 minus 2 4. 124 is equals to 2x. So I get x is equals to 124 divided by 2. If you do 124 divided by 2 you get 62 here. This is what your question number 3. Check this dividend. 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. So 62 x is equals to what? 62. It means here you get 62 and here you get 62 plus 2 64. So plus these two and check your answer is correct or not. 62 plus 64. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 6 12. Just divide it by 2, you get 63, which is your median. It is your given in your questions. So your answer is what? Correct. Now question number 4, you just find a mode of the data. Mode, it means Z. It means what? Most repeated number. You have to find a most repeated number. Check which is the most repeated number here. For first, if you are confused which is the most repeated number, then first arrange in ascending order. First I have arranged in ascending order. I see this smaller value is what? 14. How many times 14 is there? 4 times 14. Using this method you can find the most repeated number easily. Then after 14 it is 17. 1 times 17. Then 2 times 18. Then 3 times 18. 1, 2 and 3 times 18. Then 1 time 22, 1 time 23, 1 time 25 and 1 time 28. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here check how many observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you observe it. 14 comes 4 times. So most repeated number is equals to what? 1, 4, 14. Sorry, your mode is what? 14. Last sum of this chapter. in this exercise also. Find the mean of this salary of the 60 workers. Clear? First I wrote, first table is given in the question. I wrote table for answer. Salary in rupees given. It means this is your XI. Number of workers. This is your FI. You have to find what? Mean. You know, formula of the mean is what? In a tabular form, x bar is equals to sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi in sum of frequency. It is given already. Here you need, this one is given. You need what? Sigma Fi xi means first we do multiplication of Fi and xi. Fi and xi multiplication and sum of the sigma Fi xi. I write here. Here sum of sigma Fi already given 60. If I find this one, then I can find x bar using x bar is equals to sigma Fi xi upon sigma Fi formula. First I write, just copied in question is given 3000, 4000, 5000, 6, 7,000, 8, 9,000, 10,000. Values of Fi 16, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 3 and 1. Just multiply these two ones. 16 3s are 48, 48,000. 12 4s are again 48,000. 5 10s are 50, 50,000. 8 6s are again 48,000. 7 6s are 42,000. 8 4s are 32,000. 9 3s are 27,000 and 10,000 ones are 10,000. Sum of this one 30 I write here 30. 8 plus 8 16 plus 8 24 plus 2 26 plus 2 28 plus 7 35. 3 carry 3 plus 4 7 plus 4 11 plus 5 16 plus 4 20 24 3 27 2 29 and 1 30. 3,05,000. Check again sum of this one. So you get x bar is equals to what? Sigma Fi xi upon sigma Fi. Value of sigma Fi xi I get here 3,05,000. Sigma Fi already given 60. Cut this 0 0. Just divide it by 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 1 remaining. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10 and 0. 2 1s are 2. Sorry. 2 1s are 2. 1 remaining. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 5s are 10 and 0. If divided here it is what 30,500. You get 50,250 divided with 3. 3 5s are 15 minus 0. 2, we cannot divide 2 by 3. Right, put 1 0 and one more to downward side. 3 8s are 24. 1 0. 3 3s are 9. 1.0 and 3 3s are 9. 1. So I get what? X bar is equals to rupees 5,083.3. You can directly divide it this one also. 30,500 divided by 6. 30,500 divided by 6. You get this answer. Okay, this chapter is completed. Exercise 14.3 is omitted. It will not come in your examination, and I will send next video of the Heron's formula chapter, which is chapter number 12, and in Heron's formula only exercise 12.1 is come. Only 12.1 will come. 12.2 is omitted by the CBSE due to COVID-19 situations. Okay, thank you.